Assalamu alaikum. Today we are learning how to make a YouTube video. So the process is very simple, and what we need to do is we need to use a basic software which is Microsoft PowerPoint, and you don't have to go anywhere. So if you're a beginner on YouTube and you want to develop quality videos with quality content, so PowerPoint is the best mechanism for you. Later on, you can jump to other editing softwares. Like sometimes I use uh, the movie maker, the iMovie, which is the built-in software in my MacBook. So now what you need to do is you need to open your PowerPoint, and this window is open with me here. First of all, you need to give a title. So how can you give a title? Either you could go to insert or to this tab of pictures. So by clicking here, I'll go to picture from file. So here, for example, I have saved this thumbnail here. So I'll adjust it. So whenever you have to find a thumbnail or you want to make one, just go to Google, uh, go to tools, and select large images, and then save one. Now next step that I am going to do is I am going to insert my channel's logo here. So I have put all
It's
those
10
things very
o'clock.
close here. So here it goes. I can reduce the size, I can enhance it, I can change it. So for me it goes. So you can either go with this one or you can make your own thing. For example, if you want to add something on it, if you want to change something on it, simply what you can do is you can go to uh, tools, you can hide these things which are written or some things of them. For example, if I select this one and now I need to hide this thing and go with my own content which is different one. So you see it is now hidden. Now I need to change the color so that it may match the background here which is given. So let us select this one and see if it really works for it. This is the shape fill. So to some extent it is near, but I wish we could find more colors which are exactly near. Let's try this one. So this is changed. So this is how you can change the color scheme. So if you do not want to go with it, you can delete it. From here, you can write anything new that you want to write on it, like uh, videos for YouTube. So here it goes. You can write it here anywhere. If you have hidden the previous video, you can write on that. You can keep it here. So once you're done with this, the next thing is to add another slide. So when you add some slides, there are certain designs on it. You can select any design. For example, this is a design that goes with it. You can select many colors from this option. If you want to select this design, this will offer you these colors as background. You can even go to format background and add a picture that goes all through the slides that you have selected. We have plenty more options here. I can select this one, I can select this one, so whatever suits you. So normally what I do is I go with blank slide because that is easier to make custom designs for me. Now here, if you want to give any title like how to make quality videos, so you can bring it here, and here you can give the text. So your text starts here. So here you can write whatever you want. You have written something, you can copy and paste it here, or you can write your own content just from the scratch. So for example, you have written something on it. You can also include pictures in it. For example, if I want to take some picture, let's suppose this one, like this was a funny meme I created yesterday. So for example, if this is the picture, I can change the picture with many options. Like I can go to quick style of the pictures. I can make it this way. I can change it to this way. So you can do many things with any picture you have selected. So now what you need to do now is you need to go to insert. So for example, this is the slide you want to talk about. You will go to video or audio. So if you have already made a video in it, you can insert that. If you want to add audio, you can go here and record your audio. For example, if I start here, so now it has started recording my voice, which will be played after this slide. So whenever I play the slides, my voice will be added to it. For example, I am done with it. So this is inserted. You can see a speaker box here. Normally what we need to do is we need to exclude this. Otherwise this box will be there in the video. Let me play this for you. Start here. So now it has started. So this is playing, which will be played after this slide. This means my voice is added to this very slide. In the same way, I can make many slides. I can add my title, content, picture if necessary. I can also add, copy and paste my channel's picture here, which I am pasting right here. जहाँ से आप इसको उठाएंगे वहीं पे ये paste हो जाएगा. So in this way, my one slide is done. If you have latest PowerPoint, so what you will do, you will go to Slideshow. So in this way, if I go to record slideshow, you see that you can see my screen in here. So my video will also be there running along. So while clicking this one, this record, it will ask you 3, 2, 1, and here you go. So now I am in the process of recording. My recording is being played in front of you here in the screen. I am waving, you can see. So that will be a part of this video. I don't know, like if Windows offers you that this thing or not, but my Mac is offering me one. But if you have latest PowerPoint, I guess you can add your live video to that. If you have your camera, very sorry, built in your phone and your laptops. So now I'm going to make a video of the whole slides. For example, I'm done with all the slides. There are plenty of options, let me tell you. You can add icons from here. There are plenty of options of icons which I don't need at the moment, but you can use them. For example, if we want to use this icon here, so by clicking like these two, if I have selected, so the two will be added. So now I want to, I have to segregate them. For example, I select one, ये elephant है, so elephant को मैं यहाँ ले आता हूँ. I can enhance the size. This is Mr. Monkey, the famous बांदर. So उसको मैं यहाँ पे ले आया. In this way, you can also go to insert. You can add shapes here. You can find plenty of shapes. You can add charts, smart arts, models, whatever you like. So it is giving you thousands of options available. So for example, this is emoji, these are toys, this is avatar. So you name it and the things are there. For example, again coming to this one, let me add this. So this will take time. So this is a 3D model, so this is gonna take time. In this way, we can add so many things. So this fox model, or maybe it's a dog. Yes, it is a dog. So it is here. You can enhance the size. Now, when you try to like uh, I guess you can move it too, because this is first time I'm using this model. You can, yes, this way. So you see, you can move it, you can drag it by clicking here. You can move the whole shape anywhere around. So this is 3D view of it. So not only this, but also, like, I learned a new thing in front of you now today. You can add text box, header, footer. You can put equations in that. You can put tables. You can draw something on your own. So in this way, you are going to have so many possibilities. These are transitions that when one slide ends, how you wish the next slide to come, or these are animations like what sound you want to play with a particular picture or slide. I don't think they are necessary. Yes, animations are good, sorry, transitions are good, but too much animations, they are not acceptable. तो वो ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आता. So for example, I am done with all the insertion, all the objects in all the slides. Now I need to convert this into movie. So what I will do is I'll go to export. In your Windows PowerPoint, you may have an option of save as. So you can go save as, you can click it here, and from, you can give any name, my video, and here you can convert these things. But since this option is there in your Microsoft, in my MacBook, I go simply to export, and there I name it my video, and here is the PDF version. So I want to convert it to MP4 video. So now this is MP4 video I am converting. This is the quality he wants to ask, and I am perfectly fine with this quality. So I'll click export. Now you see this has started working. So this is generally making a video of it, and once it is done, I'll play that for you. कि आपको आइडिया हो जाए कि how to play that. So once the video is converted, it is what you can add to the Facebook, to YouTube, to all the mediums. So I'll request all of you, because all of us are having certain talents. Some are good at singing, some are good at history, some are good at general knowledge, some are good at memes or funny stuff. So you could come up with your talent, and you can use this Microsoft PowerPoint as the initial platform. Later on, when you are expert in this, you can further switch to any other video. You can go to any other content. You can go to any other software. So there are plenty of softwares available. So you see, this is finished. So it means I am done with that. So now I go to the video where it is. So this is MP4. So I'm playing that for you. So now this video is being played. Since I did not say anything on title screen, so now I am in the process of recording. My recording is being, will be played in front of you here in this screen. So whenever I play, you can see that will be a part of this voice will be added to it. Okay, so this is going this way because like you were listening to two voices, because at the same time I was speaking in that very video which was being recorded, and also I was talking right here. So in this way you can make your quality videos, you can upload them, and you can have any stuff you like. So I hope you liked it. Do subscribe the channel, and please share the channel with others so that everyone can get benefit from the quality